Hey guys, Ty here with WTI. Look at this beautiful SONGMIN electric nail gel. Isn't it beautiful? I love the blue color. It has a little sparkle and shimmer to it for all my girls who like a little glitter. I really like this nail gel a lot. I'm new to gel and acrylic nails. But I wanted a drill that was going to help to take my gel nail polish off. And if I put my acrylic nails on so that I could smooth them out quickly. I like it because it has different settings on it, which I usually use the lowest setting. It helps to ensure that, the drill doesn't slip out of my hand or it isn't shaking too much. But, as I get more advanced, I can go to a higher speed. So I also like that it has on the back a little stand. You can put the stand down, and then when you pick up and you're drilling your nails, you don't have to worry about it falling over. It's really sturdy. It stands up really, really nicely. And yeah, it's been a great addition to my nail kit. I have loved it. It is something that I will continue to use as I get more advanced. I really, really enjoy it a lot. I know you're going to enjoy it too. But hey, that's just my point of view.